Hi, this is Glenn, president of ERD, the home of the Freightliner Cascadia CPC4 repair. Here is the update for the third week of March 2022. As of right now, our first batch of units are in place in trucks and we have confirmed they all are working. This is great news. But we did discover from the first lot that we had to add a few things before we ship them. So we are now attaching the modules before they leave to diesel laptop, run the software, confirm there are no faults, and also set the clock since we're replacing the battery. Additionally, we have made a change where we have discovered that we're going to have to rely completely on ourselves for bringing 100% of this operation in-house and have made the purchases of equipment and are now integrating that equipment within our facility. Please, for more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel as we will continue these updates as we go forward.